kids, hello. Today I'm gonna share my most important daily routine with you. That's what I do when I just wake up, and that's meditation. Let's first understand what is meditation. You can Google and you can YouTube is flooded with all the advantages of meditation. Let's first understand what actually is meditation. So imagine you have been craving for a food you want to eat. Let us say a pastry, a normal pastry. You have been wanting to eat the pastry for quite a long, and suddenly after so many weeks, after so many months, you get it. You get to taste it. The first bite that enters your mouth, now it gives you such immense pleasure. You must have done it, है ना? You must have experienced it. That's what meditation is. So meditation is doing anything or everything or something with so much focus, with so much concentration that you forget about the rest of the world. It could be as simple as walking. You are just taking a walk around. Then you are kind of experiencing how your legs are moving, how your feet are moving. You are looking around the things. It could be as simple as bathing. When you're bathing, you are experiencing the water all over your body. When you are eating, you are touching the food with your fingers and you are enjoying every bit of it. That's when you are meditating. So meditation is just so simple. It is not as complicated as it sounds, as it seems. It is just doing something with the complete focus when you forget the rest of the world. If you're doing like this, like I do, I just wake up and I just sit and thinking about nothing for just 2 minutes, and the same thing I do when I just go to bed. So if you're doing this, if you are taking it into a routine, if you're putting it into a routine, that would be life changing for you. So I'm gonna tell you 5 most important benefits of meditation. The first one is it is gonna increase your focus. The most important that we need right now, because exams are approaching, right? We are preparing, all of us are preparing for the competitive exams, right? So we need to activate our brains. That's where meditation will help you. The second one, it's gonna reduce your stress and anxiety level. If stress and anxiety are reduced, then you will be less phobic to do something, है ना? And if you are not nervous, if you are not having any phobia, of course your performance will increase. ठीक है? The third and the most important is that it's gonna give you a sense of completion. Okay, so it will basically decrease the level of the loneliness that we feel. We are gonna sometimes, or most of the times, we are dependent on other things for our happiness, isn't it? We use WhatsApp, we connect with our friends. It's completely okay. It's not bad to connect with others, to ask for help from others. But sometimes we get so much dependent on others for our own happiness. That's what is wrong. That's where we are wrong. So with meditation, you will have a sense of completion within yourself, because you are the only person who knows what you need and what you want. So you might find it in yourself. Okay. And the fourth one, it's gonna help you fight addictions. Now when I'm talking about addiction, I don't mean alcohol and all. The addiction could be as small as a phone, है ना? We all have the addiction of phone. I'll admit it, I have that addiction. Yeah, we keep checking the Instagram, we keep checking the WhatsApp. If you are also doing it, then it will help you fight addiction. Yeah, it's helping me also. Okay. The last one and the important one, it's gonna keep you healthy. And trust me, health is actually wealth. If you are healthy, then only you can look for the other things. You can try new experiments. You can grow. You can grow professionally, personally. So these are some of the benefits of meditation. I hope I motivated you enough to meditate at least for 2 minutes. You can just start it with 2 minutes and focus on anything. If you're thinking, what should I focus on? You can focus on the music. You can focus on the breathing. You can focus on your brain. What is there in your brain? You just have to be thoughtless. ठीक है? I know you'll be getting a lot of thoughts. कभी दिमाग में आएगा समोसा खाना है, कभी दिमाग में आएगा यार वो चैप्टर नहीं हुआ, कभी दिमाग में कुछ भी a lot of things. कभी दिमाग में आएगा फ्रेंड्स क्या कर रहे हैं, उसने अभी तक एक चैप्टर कर लिया होगा. You just have to push them away. कुछ दिमाग में आए, नहीं साइड पे कर दो. कुछ और दिमाग में आए, साइड पे कर दो. जो भी दिमाग में आए, just put it side, just put it on side, just push it away. ठीक है? You will need practice, but trust me, you'll find a way. Just start doing it. ऐसा मत सोचो मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे को नहीं आता यार, इस सब से कुछ नहीं होता. Just start doing it, and trust me, it will be a life-changing experience for you. So I would want you to let me know in the comment section how much you liked it, and how मतलब who amongst you are gonna practice it daily, and also let me know how it is helping you in changing your life. Thank you so much.